A very good morning, my dear students. Already we have
Good morning,
started
ma'am.
the module 5, Fourier method of waveform analysis. Okay. So in the previous class, we have discussed regarding the Fourier transform, right now. Introduction of Fourier transform, Fourier series, and already we have done a problem on Fourier transform. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so today we'll start Fourier series. Okay. So get ready with your copy and pen. I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible to all of you, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
this is, so if you want to get the Fourier series, then definitely you have to determine the Fourier coefficients, that is A0, AN, BN. I think you know that. So evaluation of Fourier coefficients, how to determine? The evaluation of Fourier coefficients AN and BN is accomplished by using simple integral equations. I think you have studied in your maths class, which may be derived from the orthogonality property of the set of functions involved, okay? Namely cos on omega t and sin n omega t with integer values of m and n. Everything, I think you are acquainted with all these terms and all these I mean the parameters, that is sin omega t, cos omega t, and all these things. These functions are orthogonal over time period capital T. The first, observe that sin m omega t, that is equal to 0, 0 to t for all values of m. How can you do it? Just for example, sin m omega t, do the integration. What is the integration of sin m omega t? Anybody? What is the integration of sin m omega t? Tell me
Ma'am,
first.
omega cos omega t.
Is it correct?
Minus omega cos omega t.
Minus
Yes,
1 by
minus.
m cos m omega t.
Right. Then similarly, the put the value 0 to t, then you will get the value that it will give 0. You will check it, you will do the calculation, do the integration, put the limit, you will get sin m omega t integration of 0 to capital T, that will give 0. And 0 to capital T cos n omega t, that is equal to 0 for n not equal to 0 provided. So since the average value of a sinusoidal over m or n complete cycle in the period t is 0, the three cross product terms are also 0 for the stated or orthogonal relationships for n and m. Okay. So 0 to capital T sin m omega t cos n omega t. The product of these terms, integration of that will give 0 for all m and n. All these things you have to do your calculation. How to can you do it? You know that half into 2 sin theta cos theta. What is the equation? What is the formula? Sin a cos a. I think you know. 0 to 2 sin m omega t sin n omega t dt. I think you will be able to do all the integration. Sin n omega t cos n omega t sin m omega t sin n omega t. That will give you 0 m not equal to n. And the other thing is 0 to capital T cos m omega t cos n omega t, that will give 0 for m not equal to n. So all these things you have to know, you have to verify is it okay or not. The integrals become non-zero when n and m are equal, okay? You know sine square theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, right now? Cos 2 theta, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now the integrals become non-zero when n and m are equal. That is 0 to capital T sine square m omega t dt, that is equal to t by 2 for all m. Okay, so if you want to do the integration of this one, you will take the help of this equation. I think you know all these equations. Now other equation is 0 to capital T cos square n omega t dt, that is equal to capital T by 2 for all n. Okay. The Fourier coefficients can be evaluated by application of the above relations. Okay. So ft 0 to t dt, that is equal to a naught 0 to capital T dt plus 0 to t f1 t dt. Now, where f1 t, that is equal to what? N is equal to 1 to infinite. an cos n omega t plus bn sin n omega t. This particular division is made because the first term on the right hand side of equation 7. What is the 7? This is the 7 equation. Okay. Has the value a naught t, while every term in the infinite summation of f1t when integrated from 0 to t has 0 value by equations 1 and 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay. So it will be in Roman letter actually. Then from equation 7, we get a0 that is equal to 1 by t 0 to 2 ft dt. So if you do it, you will get this. T is equal to 2 pi. So put 2 pi 0 to 2 pi. This is the time period capital T. In order to evaluate an, multiply equation 11 by cos m omega t and integrating between the limits 0 to t, we get this one. So all these things you go through that and you will do it manually, do the calculation. After that you will get what? The series ft that is equal to a0 an cos omega t plus a2 cos 2 omega t. This is the Fourier series plus up to an cos n omega t. This is the cos term. Now the come to sine term plus b1 sin omega t, b2 sin 2 omega t plus up to bn sin n omega t. Okay. So if you do it in the simple form, a0 plus summation of n that is equal to 1 to infinity, an cos n omega t, total this term plus bn sin n omega t. Okay. Now again 0 to t ft will be given, obviously, cos m omega t dt, that will be equal to 0 to t a0 cos m omega t dt plus 0 to t cos m omega t, n that is equal to 1 to infinite n cos n omega t dt plus 0 to t cos m omega t, n that is equal to 1 to infinite summation of vn sin n omega t dt. So all these things you have to do. So using all these relations from different equations, a0 that is equal to 0 to capital T cos m omega t dt that is equal to 0. After that 0 to t cos m omega t, n that is equal to 1 to infinite summation bn sin n omega t dt that is equal to 0. So in this way we are coming to here. All this mathematical expression you will check. Okay. I'll share the PDF file, you will check it and think you will understand better. A0, 0 to t sin m omega t dt that is equal to 0. 0 to t sin m omega t n that is equal to 1 to infinite summation an cos n omega t that is dt that is equal to 0. Okay. So now here bn that is equal to 2 by t, wherefore n is equal to m 0 to t ft sin n omega t dt for all integral values of n. So finally we are getting the Fourier series ft that is equal to a0 plus n that is equal to 1 to infinity summation of an cos n omega t plus bn sin n omega t. So this equation, are you acquainted with this equation? Familiar equations, right? Do you remember this equation, Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So a0 that is equal to 1 by t 0 to t ft dt. Just note down this one right now because we will do a problem. What is a naught? 1 by t 0 to 2 ft dt. What is an? 2 by t 0 to t ft cos n omega t dt. You are noting down? I think you are noting down.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
value
Yes,
of
ma'am.
a0? What is the
Thank you,
value of
wait.
an? What is the value of bn? 2 by t 0 to t ft sin n omega t dt. So in case of determination of bn, you have to multiply sin n omega t with ft, and in case of determination of an, you have to multiply cos n omega t with an. Fine. So these are the methods. Now come later on, I'll do a problem. I'll show a problem. Okay. So before going to the problem, come to the waveform symmetry. What is this? Some waveforms does not have cosine terms, that is an equal to 0, while some of the waveform does not have sine terms where bn is equal to 0, right? So also in some other waveforms, the even harmonics of cosine terms are found missing. This is because of certain types of symmetry associated with the waveforms, which results in some Fourier coefficients being absent from the series. Obviously, if we can recognize such symmetries, a considerable amount of labor may be saved in the Fourier series analysis. So what I want to say here, if you just check there is a an term or bn term, you have to, if you check it, then it will not your turn that you have to determine an and bn, because if you determine an, if it is 0 initially, if you know that an will be 0, then there is no necessity to determine an. Can you get it? Did you get the point? Did you get the point, Abhishek, Mukul, Anchito?
Yes,
Did you get
ma'am.
the point?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
If
formula
you
gulo ekbar dekho.
understand
Yes.
that an is equal to 0 or bn is equal to 0 initially from the waveform symmetry, then there is no necessity to calculate an or bn. Fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how can you know it? First of all, the question is that. So come to this one. The waveform synthesis, we can see that sum of even functions, that is even function, sum of odd function, that will give odd function. So however, if an odd function is added to an odd function, the resultant is neither even nor odd. So you have to know what is odd and what is even. Okay. So come to even functions initially. A function fx is said to be even if fx that is equal to f of minus x. Can you give an example? Example is like this, x square. In this case, what will happen? Fx, if x equal to plus, then it will give the same value, where f equal to minus x. So in case of x square, fx equal to f of minus x, same. But in case of sin x, is it true? No. Fx equal to f of minus x is not true in case of sin x, right? So this
Yes.
is
Yes, ma'am.
true for all these examples like x square, cos x, tan x square, 1 plus 2x square plus 4x to the power 4. That is x square 2 to the power x to 2n, right? x2, x to the power 4, cos x. Okay. The cosine is an even function, as it can be expressed as a sum of constant and even function. 2, 4, 6, these are even. So what is cos x? 1 minus x square by 2 plus x to the power 4 by 4 minus x to the power 6 by 6, even multiple of 2, right now. So how does it look? Even function, this is like this. This is this x fx x fx. Okay. Now come to odd function. A function f is said to be odd if fx equal to minus f of a minus x. In case of even function, it was plus f of minus x, and it is here minus f of minus x. What is the example? Like sin x, x to the power 3, x cos s 10x. These are the examples of odd function. Definitely cos x was even function, and sin x is equal to x minus x to the power cube 3 factorial plus x to the power 5 factorial minus x to the power 7 factorial. This is called odd function. Okay. Obviously, sin x is an odd function. Now come to this problem. Okay. Now open your pen and copy. So we'll do the problem. Okay. Have you seen the problem? Just write down the problem. Draw the periodic triangular wave. When you will finish it, then you will tell me. I will start the solution.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I start?
No,
Find
ma'am.
the problem is find the Fourier series expansion of the periodic rectangular waveform shown in the following figure. Finished?
No, ma'am.
And 2 minutes.
Everybody is doing it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I think it is over.
ম্যাম হয়নি ম্যাম
Done?
একটু দাঁড়ান ম্যাম
How much time you are taking to draw a particular function?
ম্যাম স্কেল পেন্সিল দিয়ে আঁকছে বলে।
Scale? You are using
Ma'am, হয়ে
scale
গেছে, হয়ে
right
গেছে।
now?
হয়ে গেছে ম্যাম
Shall I go to the calculation?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think like every day's class, you have put the date in the corner of your page. Have you put it?
এক্সপেক্টেড ম্যাম।
ইয়াস ম্যাম ইয়াস
You have forgot that.
নো ম্যাম আই হ্যাভ পুট ইট
So, today is 18 December. Okay. So we will do a problem on Fourier series. So I think you have drawn the graph, I mean the diagram. Diagram is like this. Just follow it and you draw it. This is minus t by 4 minus. This is ft, right? 0 t by 4. This is 3t by 4. This is minus 3t by 4. Okay. So this is designated by ft. Fine. And this is t. Okay. Have you drawn this? I think you have drawn it.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
So solution is like that. The problem is what? Find the Fourier series expansion of the periodic rectangular waveform. This is the rectangular waveform. Now, just see the function where an, bn is there or not. So the function ft is what function? This is the function is even function. Okay. Write down the function is even function. So you know that if the function is even, all the cosine terms are present only. So only all the cosine terms are present. So because it is even, all the cosine terms are present, and bn that is equal to 0. Now come to the solution. Let us define ft. ft টাকে তোমাকে define করতে হবে না? You have to define ft. After that you will be able to do the calculation, right?
ইয়েস ম্যাম ইয়েস ম্যাম
So you have to define ft. ft is equal to 0 for what condition? It is 0 for minus t by 2 less than t less than minus t by 4. Fine. Right now? Am I correct?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
Minus t by 2 if t greater than minus t by 2 and less than minus t by 4, within this range ft that is equal to 0. And for which value ft that is equal to 1? This is 1. Okay. It is equal to 1. Mute yourself. That is equal to 1 for what? Where
ম্যাম
minus
t
t by
is less
4,
than minus t by 4
minus t by 4
minus
greater than minus t by 4, t less than t by 4. Right, Ranjita?
yes ma'am yes ma'am
And that is equal to 0 for again t less than t by 4 greater than, and t less than capital T by 2. So first of all, before going to the calculation, this is the basic necessity. You have to know that how can you judge the function with a particular interval. Okay. Now Bn is equal to 0. So what coefficient you have to determine? A0 and An. Right now, Mukul? Shagnik, am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So by definition, A0 equal to what? Already I have told you, note that. Anybody can tell me? That is 1
1
by t.
T
1
integration
by
of
t.
t to 0 ft dt.
Okay. Ft dt. Very good. Now put the value. So it will give 1 by t minus t by 4, 2 plus t by 4 on the basis of this function structure. This is 1. Okay. Because from this condition, second condition, and dt. So can you tell me what is the value? 1 by t minus t by 4 to plus t by 4. 1 dt. 1 means that it is 1. So what will be the integration, and put the value, the limit minus t by 4 to plus t by 4. Can you tell me the value? Anybody, please? Everybody will do it. Sorry?
Half.
Half. Right. The value is half. So A0, that is equal to half.
Yes, ma'am.
Just note down. A0, that is equal to half. Fine. Now our motto is to calculate An, because already Bn is equal to 0. There is no necessity to determine Bn. So what is An? What is An? An, that is equal to 2 by 2
ft
minus
cos
t
n
by
omega
2,
t.
2 plus t by 2 ft, I'm sorry, ft cos n omega t dt. Fine. So that is equal to 2 by t minus t by 4, 2 plus t by 4 on the basis of this function. I am writing this cos n omega t, ft equal to what? Unchita? Ft is equal to what? Abhishek?
Now 1.
Ma'am, 0.
1.
1
1.
Okay, so 1,
So
1.
cos n omega t dt. Now do the integration and tell me the value. Minus t by 4, 2, t by 4, 2 by t. Shobhagya, are you doing the calculation? Nandini, Chayonika, do the calculation and tell me the value. Utshab, Shamrik, do
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
calculation and tell me the value. What is the value? What is the integration of cos n omega t?
1 by n sin n omega t.
Put the value omega. In terms of pi, Abhishek. So you will get 2 by n pi sine n pi by 2. Okay. Now come to the next whiteboard. So we have got the value an that is equal to 2 by n pi sine n pi by 2. Okay. So from this n value, that is the equation, what you can say, n that is equal to 0 for n that is equal to 2, 4, 6, all odd even values. Okay. If you put, say, 2, sine 2 pi by 2, that is 2 to cancel, a sine pi, n sine pi. So this will give 0. If you put 4 in pi by 2, 2 pi, sine 2 pi, that will give 0. So in this way, for the even values of n, you will get n is equal to 0. Okay. Again, n that is equal to 2 by n pi, provided n is equal to 159. Okay, you will check it. Again, n that is equal to minus 2 by n pi, provided n equals to 3, 7, 11. You will check it. So maintaining all these values for n, you will get the different set of values provided for condition n 246 up to, you will get 0. For 159, for this series, you will get an that is equal to 2 by n pi. For n is equal to 3, 7, 11, you will get an is equal to minus 2 by n pi. So you have got a0 and an. Now do the, write the series. Okay. So what is the series you have to write? Ultimately, ft, you know that ft that is equal to a0 plus, mone porche, do you remember? So a0 already you have derived. What is the value?
Half.
Half. So first of all, you remember the equation and you will do it. The equation is like this. ft that is equal to what? a0 plus summation of n that is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega t plus bn sin n omega t. So in this series, you have to put the value of a0, an, bn, right now. So already you have told that, you have seen that bn 0. So what is ft here? Put value a0. a0 tumra ki bolle?
Ma'am, half.
Half. So put half here. Now put an value. So an is equal to 0 for 2 for 6. So maintaining all these conditions, you have to write what? 2 by pi cos, this is pi, cos omega t minus 1/3 cos 3 omega t, okay, plus 1/5 cos 5 omega t, plus, did you get it? How can you do the series? 159, that is plus. Dekho, 1, 5, then 9, that is plus, okay. And you have to put n value, n, if n is equal to 1, so this is 1. If n is equal to 5, so this is 1 by 5. If n is equal to 3, this is 1 by 3, but minus, so put here minus. Did you get? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the series, half plus 2 by pi cos omega t minus 1/3 cos 3 omega t plus 1/5 cos 5 omega t. Okay. And you can do it like this also. You can write 1 by 2 plus 2 by pi n that is equal to 1 to infinite minus 1 to n to the power minus 1. This is the generalized form. 2n minus 1 cos 2n minus 1 omega t. If you do up to this, it is also, complete. Okay. So this is the solution from the problem. What is the Fourier series? So up to this, it is clear to all of you. How can you determine the Fourier series? From a particular problem, determining the value of a0, an, bn. And first of all, you observe the function where an is there or bn is or not, or bn is there or not, on the basis of the property of or the body of the function. How does it look? It is odd or even, whatever may be. Symmetry, on the basis of the symmetry, right? Symmetry property. So if like in this function, what we have done, bn is equal to 0, already you have seen it, so no need to calculate bn, only you have calculate a0 and an. So after doing the calculation a0 and an, you know the series, the function is equal to a0 summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an sin n omega t plus bn cos n omega t. So you have put the value a0, an, bn was 0, and you have got the value an and a0. So after putting the value, you have got the series ft from the square wave, right now. So up to this, is it clear? So Nandini, can you tell me what we have studied today?
Ma'am, evaluation of Fourier series, the wave symmetry.
How can you do it? Okay. Evaluation of Fourier series. After that,
Wave symmetry আর হচ্ছে একটা problem.
wave symmetry, odd or even, right? Function is odd or even. Okay. And ultimately, what is the function of the Fourier series in the Fourier series form? Ft, that is equal to what? A0 plus n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega t plus bn sin n omega t.
Sin omega t.
And you have done a problem. What is the problem, Unchito? The problem is
Analysis of a rectangular curve.
rectangular and waveform. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And first of all, how can you do the problem? First of all,
First of all, we see that it is if the function is odd or even, and by which we analyze the an and a0 and b0, and then we proceed to finding the ft.
No.
And
You have checked that bn will be 0 here, so no need to calculate bn.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then you have calculated a0 and an.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And then we have
on the
put the
basis
value
of
in
the function.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And then we have put the a0 and an value in the final Fourier formula, and then we have got the value.
Up to this, is it clear, Mukul?
Yes, ma'am.
Shagnik, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
So up to this, to determine the Fourier series from a particular function, you are able to determine the series. Okay. So thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.